What up, Smart Beatmaker? In this video, I'm going to tell you a reason why you're probably not selling beats. And this is a mistake that a lot of producers make. Not every single producer, but I see a lot of them, especially amateur ones that come in and they're afraid of people stealing their beats. You already know my stance on that. You need to let them have the beat, because real quick, the only time that I as an artist, and I've spent tens of thousands of dollars buying beat leases, buying exclusive beats, buying track outs, as a music artist, whenever I buy a beat, it's because I've already got the beat. I was going to say stolen, but it's the word's not stolen. I pretty much borrow it until I buy it.
Yeah, it's just like it's both ours. We just keep it down at my house.
I download the beat, however I can get my hands on it, and I create the song, or at least the outline. If I believe that the song's good enough, I then purchase the lease to make sure that I don't lose that song. And the thing is, though, that's what I teach. That's what I've taught hundreds of thousands of music artists on Smart Rapper how to do. And if you don't know what Smart Rapper is, 350,000 subscribers, almost 28 million views on that channel. It's the #1 educational platform in the music industry.
Son.
And I teach artists to do this because I've wasted so much money buying beats that I never used. Now I know better. I don't buy a beat until I know I'm going to release a song where I know it's good enough where I want to protect it, and so I buy the beat. And I always tell them to buy the beat from you guys too. So in this circumstance, I was just going through beats freestyling on BeatStars, and I clicked an ad, and you guys know on BeatStars it's extremely rare anybody's gonna click one of your ads. It's not really that effective. It'll work sometimes, but it's not that effective for the amount that it costs to actually run the ads.
Hey!
Now what happened is, I heard it, I started vibing with it immediately. I opened to his page, right click, open new. By the time the 8th bar hit, he already had his tag hit twice. It was like, shamu. I'm like, boy, if you don't. Here's the thing. I understand why producers do this. They do this to protect their beats. But as I told you, I'm showing people how to get the beats and when to buy the beats. You're hurting yourself. You only need your tag once, maybe twice, tops 3 times in the whole song. When you do it every 4 bars, what it does is it takes away from the capability of the artist to vibe to the beat. Usually it takes 4, 8, 12 bars for somebody to really start vibing with the beat. So if you're killing the vibe every 4 bars by putting your tag in there, how am I supposed to vibe? That means that I'm not gonna want to download it. I'm especially never gonna make a song to it because I couldn't vibe. So I'm never gonna buy it. You're really hurting yourself. And you're doing that out of fear of somebody stealing your beat. Somebody will steal your beat, they're gonna steal your beat, okay? They're gonna steal your beat if they wanna steal your beat, all right? Sorry. Another thing is, if you have your tag and the frequency range is way out of the vibrational range of frequencies that your beat is made in, and it's just like shockingly different, it kills the vibe every single time it comes in.
He ain't lying.
So you gotta make sure that your tag for your beat is a good sounding one that matches and blends with the beat. I'll say right now, I was vibing to this guy's beat. Now, he's not gonna get a credit from me. I'm never gonna make a song to his beats, and I don't wanna go through the rest of his beats. So he may have not only lost money for one beat, he may have lost money for a bunch of beats because I was digging his vibe.
Damn,
right?
son.
I'm assuming he has other beats. I mean, I made 5 songs. I do that sometimes. I make 5 songs to some of these beats. You never know. So the thing is please do not tag your beats too heavily. You're really, really hurting yourself when you do that. And if you wanna see how I as an artist go through beats, because I'll make, I show music artists how I make 24 to 30 songs in a day going through beats. That means that there's 24 to 30 options where I actually buy a beat every single day and every single time I work on music.
Say what?
Think about that, okay? I buy a lot of beats because I make a lot of music, and I show artists how to make a lot of music, so therefore they have to buy a lot of beats, all right? If you want to see my process as an artist, that I teach other artists how to go through beats, and you want to see it from an artist perspective, how we go through these beats, so you can adjust your pages accordingly and sell more beats, I have masterclasses on that, okay? I have over 50 masterclasses for Smart Beatmaker, over 100 for Smart Rapper, and there's a reason that I'm the #1 educational platform in the music industry with Smart Rapper, and now with Smart Beatmaker, I'm just gonna replicate that because I don't stop. And I'm learning for you guys because I'm also a producer. I produce my own stuff as well. But when I go through beats, I create to those, and then I add additional production, which is something that's going to be changing the music industry because I'm making sure that that's changing. So people have more creativity to make the sound more unique to themselves. So if you want to check out those masterclasses, I'll put them below. But please stop tagging your beats so much. You're really, really, really harming yourself. I promise you. I'm never going to buy this guy's beats. I'm still on his page, and I had to make this video right now because I feel bad for him. Like, he doesn't know, you know what I'm saying?
You're killing me, man!
It'd be kind of funny if I showed you guys. I'm not going to show you this. The picture that he has actually matches the vibe of the way I feel right now, because I feel bad for him. But either way, so check out the masterclasses below. Hit me with a subscribe. This channel is going to grow extraordinarily fast because I'm going to be posting videos on here all the freaking time, and I'm going to translate everybody from Smart Rapper who wants to be a producer and get those production skills over here. So either way, keep hustling. Hit me to subscribe. You can get free downloads and free cheat sheets below in the description. And also, if you're a producer and you want to send me beats, you can also have the opportunity to do that. You can also get beat reviews. You can submit those, get professional feedback on what you need to do to grow. All this stuff's below. It's a whole business. Established LLC. It's a real thing. Spent 4 months building this from scratch. Anyways, get ready for more videos and keep hustling. And I'll see you at the top.
Damn, do I look good on camera? Ain't nobody looking better. Where's my money? I need answers. Got 3 horses slay like Santa. This much green, you need a tractor. I feel like Tony Montana. I put that shit on my grandma. All my guns come with bananas. You better mind your manners. I go nuts like cans of bananas. Keep it lit like I'm a camper. I'm the only one that matters.